Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond Infinity. Today we will discuss an important question. If you dig a hole through the earth and jump in, where would you come out? If you dig a hole straight through the earth and jump in, what happens? Do you come out the other side? Do you float in the middle? Or do you burn in the core? Let's dig deep into this question, right here on Beyond Infinity. Let's imagine. You dig a straight tunnel from one side of Earth to the exact opposite, say from Pakistan to Chile. You wear a superheat-resistant suit, ignore air pressure, magma, and practical engineering problems, and jump in. What would really happen? Let's follow physics and find out. As soon as you jump in, gravity pulls you down, accelerating you toward Earth's center. But as you pass the core, gravity begins to pull you backwards toward the other side of Earth. That's because gravity always pulls you toward the center of mass, and once you pass it, you're technically going upward on the other side. It's just like a swing. Gravity slows you down after you pass the bottom, and eventually pulls you back. If there's no air resistance, you'd fall all the way to the other side, then slow down just before you reach the exit, and fall back again. You'd oscillate, going back and forth like a pendulum from one side of Earth to the other. Eventually, if there's air resistance, you'd lose energy and come to rest right at the center of Earth, floating. Of course, this is all theoretical. In reality, you'd face extreme heat, over 5,000 degrees Celsius at the core. Massive pressure, enough to crush anything. Magma, iron, and other deadly layers. And no material known to humans can survive the journey. Also, digging a hole straight through the Earth is impossible with current technology. Q1. Would you come out in the same position upside down? Yes, if you made it, you'd emerge feet first in the opposite country. Q2. How long would it take to fall through? About 42 minutes from one side to the other, without resistance. Q3. Can we really dig to the center of the Earth? Not even close. The deepest hole humans have ever dug is just 12 kilometers. That's only 0.3% of Earth's radius. Myth. You'd fall through and fly out the other side like a cartoon. Truth. You'd slow down near the exit, stop and fall back again in an endless loop, unless resistance stops you in the center. The Earth isn't just round, it's a dynamic machine full of motion, force, and wonder. And even a silly idea like jumping through it reveals real physics. Subscribe to Beyond Infinity for more logical questions with infinite curiosity.